Bonni Sandy. I am the CEO and founder of Diversity Promos. We are an online agency as well as we do a lot of online stores. I started with a diversity company because I believe, you should do you, I should do me, and we should stay at peace. I've been a supplier, manufacturer. I understand everything from printing to designing to CAD to concepts to manufacturing. The biggest problems that most companies have is deciphering what items are going to be relevant for now and what's going to be relevant for the future. I am a problem solver. I do my research from the company, so I see what their past experiences have been. I see what their past promotions have been, where they're going. If they're a public company, I can kind of look up where they're going for the next few years. And then I'll do a trend report on them so that I can have all my demographics and geographics. And we could design an entire presentation or web store in 24 hours. And that's what makes us different. We're an agency. We're not a promotional company because we do retail, we do promotional, but mostly we give our customers uniqueness. We listen to their needs and then we give them what they want and then we tell them what they need. We have over 52 patents for a reason, and that's because my customers, they needed uniqueness and creativity. If you don't keep your products fresh or keep something different, anyone could do what you can do. That's what makes us different is we could get everything everyone else can get, and then we have our own products as well. I love challenges, and importing, designing, and staying on production schedules is a huge challenge during any time, especially during a time of crisis. But what I learned a long time ago in my career is what I hold true today, and that is you work hard and you work smart, and mostly you work hard. I do give to the charities that are near and dear to my heart. WBNC, without a doubt. I would not be here today without them. I give back because people don't or people can't. It's my privilege now to give back to them the way they gave back to me. I'm also a founding member of QCA, so that would be QCA.org, which is a government agency in compliance. We have all the current documentation as well as we make sure we test every product with every lot that we manufacture. We make sure to visit all of our factories at least twice a year, and we also do random factory inspections. Product safety and compliance is my passion because we want to make sure all of our customers have their brand protected. That's what we guarantee. We're going to protect your brand. You need something quality and you need something unique and you need something out of the box and you want to blow away your customers, your clients. We are the ones to call. Please contact us at diversitypromos.com.